friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And in today's video I am going to show you a mini tour of my crafty card and also the extension of the crafty card. And if you see some things that I haven't shown you in detail, is because the purpose of this video is not to brag of what I have. It's just to show you, how can you compartmentalize your crafty supplies for Valentine's. So for those supplies that you have them store and you are trying to use them, you have to see them, right? So, and I use mini containers here and there. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch the mini crafty card and crafty card extension tour. Well, I just finished filming a video and now we are going to view the Valentine's crafty card. And it might look busy, but let's start. So on the first tray, I do have these picks that I got at Target probably 2 years ago. And I love these trims. Look at that. These are from Prima. I got this trim at my local scrapbook store, and then also in gold. Over here is some of the loose ephemera that I have from Crepe Paper Valentine's collections. And over here is a hodgepodge of stickers from Hobby Lobby, Prima Marketing, Target. I also have like few ephemera pieces here and there. I got these in a swap last year, and I know I still have this main squeeze. I can't believe it. And some of the K&C Company, and more main squeeze, La La Love. And these are some loose ephemera pieces here and there, and I love these stickies. And hodgepodge of things, right? And over here I have some of the trims that I'm going to be using. Doilies, a banner, and a collection that I got, like a kit for junk journals, kind of vintagey, from my little crafty corner. Over here I received this in a swap, Christmas swap. Some of my tags here and there, and then the Walmart trim. Over here I have Felicity Jane stamp, these handmade stamps from Taylor Expression, and for some reason my camera doesn't want to focus. And then over here these are some cards, I believe from Seven Gypsies, and then stencils, handmade. And on this side I have the sealing wax with the spoon. And let's move ahead. I hope I'm not shaking too much. But second tray, I got this tray last year's for Christmas, but because it's red, hey, the heck, I'm using it. So I have all these little things from Dollar Tree, knickknacks here and there, stickies. So I'm definitely determined to use all these foamy stickies from Dollar Tree. Here are some of the beads and sequin mixes that I have. It's kind of messy, right? Then here I love these kind of like a big washi tape from Calico Corners, and it says thanks with a heart. And then my collection of washies, more collection of washies, some of my straws, and more, knickknacks here and there. I put together this little mini book last year, I believe. Over here, more knickknacks, More knickknacks, my Heidi Swap memory deck sponge, and over here it's a tray for my past Valentine's, you know, loose paper, chipboard from La 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 from Crepe Paper. And if you are curious to see what I have here, of course I'm gonna open this up. Oh my goodness, I had pebbles. This other one, I think this is Recollection. And you know, I have like loose Sweetheart from Authentic. Just, you know, like loose pieces. These are from Photo Play. I can't believe it. I have this Martha Stewart designer pad. I believe I bought this in 2018. But you know, the papers are so beautiful, and I have used them some. Then I have these hard ones, and then more stuff, right? So not a big deal, but definitely after this Valentine's Day, if I am not going to be using these, I'm definitely going to be donating them. So yeah, so they need to find a new home, and I'm definitely going to put these later on. Now let's move into my little kind of like tray where I have some of the embellishments and 6x6 things, paper pads. And I'm gonna move this one away because I was working on some of shakers. The same with these two as well. They don't need to be seen right now. So 6x6 paper pads, Main Squeeze, Echo Park, and Target, Recollections, Bo Bunny, Authentic. And yeah, these pads are not full, so I have used them. And why I kept them, like for example the Main Squeeze, it's because I already have stickers and ephemera pieces for these, but I love what is left, right? So I'm definitely planning to use, you know, the few pages that I have. The same for the other ones, which, look at this one. Target came up, that was 2018 or 19, with these 6x6 pads, and these are the only pages that I have left. So the same thing with La La Love. So, and over here, all the little charms that I have bought from Nifty Crafty Me, Rhoda. She sells gorgeous bead, how you call it, bead kits, right? Things that I have received, charms, and then you have to have the yarn so I can package things, you know, wrap things pretty. And then some of my more loose trims, felts, fabrics, and these are the Dollar Tree bags from, I believe, 2 years ago or a year ago, I can't remember. Yeah, so that's the extension of the crafty card. And then if you want to see my decorations, I participated in a Valentine's swap hosted by Tamara, and that's one of the things that I received. It's so beautiful. And of course I sticked these bare, and these are my little things here. Printer's tray. I believe I have a video. I will link the video if you're interested in see what's inside of each little compartment. These printer's tray is like all year round. The banner, the same thing. And yeah, so this is it. So this was the tour of my mini crafty cart, St. Valentine's theme, and the extension of it. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye. you.